Have you ever wondered why some people instantly light up the room when they walk in, drawing everyone's attention and admiration? Have you ever thought to yourself, what am I missing? What if you could unlock the secret to that magnetic charm? In this video, we're diving deep into the art of likability, revealing essential tips that can transform your social interactions and boost your appeal. Miss out on this, and you could be missing key opportunities to connect, influence, and succeed in both your personal and professional life. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel for daily, insightful, sometimes surprising ways to dramatically change your trajectory. And let's get started. Number 1, the charisma conundrum: why likability matters. Likability is not an elusive trait possessed only by a few. It is a dynamic and influential quality that anyone can develop. In a world governed by social interactions, being liked can open doors to numerous opportunities, whether in personal relationships or professional networks. Consider a scenario where two employees with similar qualifications are up for a promotion. The one who has cultivated a likable persona, who engages well with the team and uplifts the office atmosphere, is more likely to be favored. Number 2, the psychology of first impressions. Dressing for success. The impact of first impressions cannot be understated. Dressing well and smelling good are not just superficial aspects of social interactions. They are critical components that can significantly influence how people perceive you. An example of this would be a job interview scenario, where a candidate who is well-dressed and carries a pleasant scent is likely to be perceived as more professional and competent. This positive initial judgment can set the tone for the entire interaction, making the candidate more memorable. Number 3, the art of engaging questions. Steering conversations skillfully. The power of asking the right questions cannot be overstated. This approach not only shows that you are interested in others, but also helps steer conversations in a way that can reveal deeper insights and form stronger connections. For instance, in a network event, instead of talking about oneself, asking another person about their experiences with recent industry trends can lead to a more engaging and productive conversation. This method helps in understanding the person's expertise and potentially opens up opportunities for future collaborations. Number 4, the echo technique. Mastering the art of listening. Active listening is a key element of likability. When you restate what someone has just told you, it shows that you are genuinely paying attention and value their input. In professional settings, this technique can be particularly effective. Imagine a scenario where a manager is able to repeat and acknowledge an employee's concern during a feedback session, thereby validating their feelings and fostering a supportive work environment. For instance, a project manager uses this technique to clarify project details with a team member, ensuring they have understood the task completely, which prevents future misunderstandings and builds a trustful relationship. Number 5, the subtlety of influence. Shaping perceptions without teaching. Persuasion is more about guiding than instructing. People are more receptive to ideas that they feel they have arrived at independently. For example, a salesperson might use leading questions to help a potential client see the value of a product on their own rather than aggressively pushing its benefits. This subtle method of influencing can lead to higher acceptance and customer satisfaction. A practical example could be a financial advisor who asks clients thoughtful questions about their retirement goals and current financial strategies, leading the clients to realize the gaps in their planning themselves. Number 6, storytelling as a sales strategy. Crafting compelling narratives. Using storytelling in sales can dramatically increase effectiveness. A real estate agent, for instance, might share stories of how certain features of a home have brought previous owners joy and satisfaction, rather than simply listing these features. This approach helps potential buyers visualize their own happiness and fulfillment, fostering a deeper emotional connection to the property. Similarly, a car salesperson could recount how a particular model brought adventure to another family, making it more than just a vehicle, but a gateway to enriching experiences. Number 7, the power of personal appearance. Building trust through aesthetics. Your personal appearance makes a strong statement about who you are and how you view yourself and others. In client meetings or negotiations, a polished appearance can speak volumes about your professionalism and attention to detail, instilling a greater sense of trust and respect in your counterparts. For example, a lawyer dressing sharply for court shows respect for the institution and can influence the perceived credibility of their arguments. Number 8, scent and sensibility. The unspoken dialogue of fragrance. The scent is not just a background detail. It's a powerful tool that can significantly influence first impressions and ongoing perceptions. A pleasant fragrance can make you more memorable and enhance your likability, acting as a subtle yet persuasive element in social interactions. For instance, consider how a real estate agent might use a welcoming scent like freshly baked cookies during an open house to create a warm, inviting atmosphere, making potential buyers feel more at home and positively impacting their perception of the property. Similarly, in a professional setting, wearing a clean, subtle scent can make you appear more competent and trustworthy. It's akin to the effect of a firm handshake or a confident posture. It sends a non-verbal cue that enhances your personal brand. Remember, the key is subtlety. A scent should not overwhelm but serve as a gentle enhancement that complements your personality and style. Number 9. Confidence is king. Projecting assurance in social settings. Confidence can be a game changer in how you are perceived. For instance, a speaker at a conference who presents their ideas confidently regardless of the audience's size tends to be more persuasive and regarded as more authoritative compared to someone who seems unsure. This principle applies to all professions, such as a teacher in a classroom setting who confidently handles questions, fostering a better learning environment and commanding respect from students. Number 10. Creating your personal style, a gateway to self-expression. Developing a personal style is not just about following fashion trends. It's about crafting an identity that is uniquely yours and resonates with the people you interact with. For instance, a tech entrepreneur might choose smart casual attire that strikes the perfect balance between approachable and authoritative, reflecting their innovative spirit and leadership qualities. This alignment of personal style with professional identity can make them more relatable and likable in both networking events and in the boardroom. Finding what works for you involves experimenting with different styles, fabrics, and fits to discover what feels authentic and enhances your confidence. This could be as simple as a business professional finding their signature look with tailored suits that command respect, or a creative artist embracing eclectic styles that showcase their creativity. The key is consistency. Having a recognizable style can make you more memorable and reinforce your personal brand. Number 11. Compliments are king. Understanding when and how to compliment can create immediate rapport and goodwill. A project manager who compliments team members on specific contributions reinforces positive behaviors and motivates the team, enhancing productivity and morale. For instance, recognizing a team member's innovative solution during a meeting not only boosts that individual's confidence, but also encourages others to be similarly inventive. Number 12. Leveraging likability for professional advancement. The trait of being likable is immensely beneficial in professional settings, where it can lead to opportunities for advancement and collaboration. Employees who are well-liked not only find it easier to collaborate with colleagues, but are also more likely to be considered for leadership roles and important projects. Their ability to foster good relationships can significantly influence their career trajectory. In entrepreneurship, likability can attract mentors, investors, and strategic partners. For example, a likable entrepreneur at a pitch event who connects authentically with the audience and shows genuine enthusiasm for their product is more likely to secure investment than one who lacks interpersonal skills. This demonstrates how critical likability is in achieving professional success and influencing others in any business environment. If you're intrigued about a lifestyle of financial freedom, subscribe to our channel and find the videos that tackle more ways to get there and what surprises may lay in store for you along the way. Today, we've explored the crucial steps to becoming irresistibly likable, opening doors and creating meaningful connections. In our upcoming videos, we'll unravel further strategies to enhance your life and career, ensuring you're not only liked, but also financially empowered. Stay tuned and transform your journey into one of success and fulfillment.